you don't need to be the person who knows every aspect of what you're doing. Now,
Yeah.
you can be really good at a couple things, but just recognize what you're not good at and take the other help. Like everything is about people working together. So you're going to see a lot more people working together. When we're in the studio, there's 15 people working on a song.
Yeah.
It's just different. You don't have to be the one with all the answers.
We started out like 12 ago, man. You know, it's like a frog, man. As funny as that sounds, you know, you just hop from lily pad to the next. And some look like they're afloat and they can hold you when you hop on it. The shit sinks. And a lot of times it's been steady, you know. And I'm saying that to say that, like, you know, it's just from situation it's one situation to the next, but always make sure your last move was a great move, because that sets you up for your next job. You know what I'm saying? If you smashing niggas, yo, you're gonna get the recognition.